Okay, this is the package I received. Microwavable heat therapy bag. Came very nicely packaged. Exactly what was in the box. And easy to read directions. I like it. Okay, heat 20 to 40 seconds. Microwave. Insert. Let's start out with 20. Okay. Ooh, nice and warm. So just put it on your wrist to try it out. It's not too hot, not too cold. So I think I will try it on my knee, which I have arthritis in, and it works pretty good. Feels great. Love it. Awesome. Put it just about anywhere. Warm, moist heat. Is that on arthritic knee? Makes it feel great. Wonderful. I love my little microwave heat bag.